Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Today I just want to talk about a pattern that nobody is talking about. Nobody on Twitter, on Facebook, on YouTube, on StockTwits or anything. I've not seen anybody talk about this. And I feel it's very important. And I feel it might give some people security and calmness in the market. Um, and maybe confirmation that the bear market is in fact over. So I just want to look into that and show you what I'm looking at. This is the three inside up candlestick pattern. And you can see here, after a bear market and a downtrend, you get a big red candle and, well, normally the green, but the blue here, and you get a small harmonic candle in beside it, and like an inside bar where it does not take out the low. Very important. And the next candle moves hard to the upside and closes on the upper range and preferably above the candle, above the body of the candle at least. And then this is a reversal pattern, and it gives continuation to the price to the uptrend, in the upwards direction. So it is a bottoming formation, and it is ranked as quite a good pattern. And you can see here on the patternsite.com, and this is renowned. I forgot to turn this off. It is renowned for being one of the best sites for studying candlestick patterns. So I'm not going to go into all this. If you really want to check out all the details here, you can go and look at it yourself. But I just want to point out a couple of things. He talks about here about the pattern works best after a bear market. And a three inside up candlestick works best after a downward breakout in a bear market. So it's a downward bear market, and then it breaks out to the upside, and that's when it works best. And in Bitcoin, that is exactly what we have, and I'll get into the chart now in a minute. So in overall candlestick patterns, it's out of 103 that it has ranked, it is number 20. So it's up there, and it's not in the top 10, but it's up there, and it is still ranked really, really good. And he talks about down here, he just talks about the candlestick pattern doing very well. It considers it a good move, and the candlestick pattern does very well. This guy is, the god of candlestick patterns. So you have to take his opinion seriously. So I'll let you can look into it yourselves and read all about it. But I'll just get into the pattern here. You can see in Bitcoin here on a 3-month chart, we have a beautiful three inside up candlestick pattern. It's flawless actually. You could not fault it, because you can see the 9 EMA here, and we've bust through that as well, and now we are up in the top range of this candle. Now the caveat is this is a 3-month candle, and we have a month and a half to go before a new candle opens. So essentially we need to close up here in a month and a half time. So what this pattern is telling us, and now that we understand that this is a bottom and reversal candle, reversal formation, any dips in the next month and a half should be your last buying opportunity in the bear market if this pattern holds true. So if we do get a dip down to the 6,000 level or whatever, 6,400, the futures gap, or if we get the dip into the 5,000s, I really think that it's possibly a very good buying opportunity for the long term, because you might never get that opportunity again. This might be the last dip according to this pattern. And if we do get that dip, it might be good to buy up as much Bitcoin as you can get, because you'll not see that again. You might not see that again if this pattern holds true. Obviously, use correct money management and find good entries. But it's not financial advice. That's just what I'm thinking. If this pattern holds true and I see the right price action, I'm going to load up on Bitcoin, and in the hope, I suppose that's not a good word in trading, but in the fact that it should come back up here and close up here if this pattern is going to hold true, and then we will continue to the upside. So it's pretty powerful too. We are in a long-term bull market. There's no question about it. We're now back above the 9 EMA, which can be powerful in itself. I just want to show you BNB here, and it's not quite the same pattern. It's not a 3 inside up because we took out the lows and then we reversed when we had a fourth candle here, but it's a very similar pattern. I just noticed it looking through the charts this morning. But you can see here, very similar. We closed above the 9 EMA and we also closed above the big red candle. So I think this is vital. I think this is vital to that, and if we can close up here, we definitely could continue on to the upside in Bitcoin, just like BNB done. And you know, when Bitcoin gets going, sometimes there's no stopping it. Look at Litecoin, for example, in the last 4 months or so, it's done this, what BNB has done. So Bitcoin could follow, and I think everybody should take this pattern very seriously, because right now this is telling us the bear market is over, and any dips in the next month and a half, you need to be buying as much Bitcoin as you can get. So anyway guys, that's it for the video, and please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and subscribe to the channel. We also have a Discord group with lots of very intelligent investors and traders. There's a link below. You can hit us up on Facebook if you'd like to join that and get a 2-day free trial. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.